Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do lipsticks for dusky skin tone part 2. If you haven't watched the part 1, I will leave the link in the I button above. Do check that out. This video is going to be lipsticks that will suit dusky skin tone or deeper skin tones. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. The first lipstick I'm going to show you in this, I have kept all my lipsticks in this cute little mug. This is such a beautiful piece of mug. The first lipstick I'm going to show you is this Sugar's Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lavender Rachel. This is a very beautiful lipstick. Look at that color, guys. This is an orangey tone lipstick, but not orange enough to look like neon orange. This is not going to look bright orange, but a muted brownish orange lipstick that would suit deeper skin tones, dusky skin tones so beautifully. This is how the shade looks like. This has that rusty orange undertone to it. This is a very beautiful lipstick, and this one Sugar Metal Matte lipstick is very comfortable on lips, guys. If you are someone who does not like the formula of liquid lipsticks, or you don't feel comfortable while wearing a liquid lipstick, then I recommend you to try this one, because after applying this lipstick, you would not feel anything at all. You would feel like you have nothing on your lips. That's the feeling of this lipstick. This is a very beautiful lipstick. Moving on to the second lipstick. This one is from the Inside Cosmetics Matte Lip Ink. This is such a beautiful lipstick, you guys. This one is from the Inside Cosmetics. This is also from the affordable range, you guys. This is paraben free. I got this for around 110 rupees. Yeah, that is the amount that I paid for this lipstick. This lipstick is so good, guys. And the formula of this lipstick, I really like it, because after applying the lipstick, you don't feel the dryness at all. You would feel a little bit of dryness, but definitely not too much. This liquid lipstick has a reservoir tip applicator. That's how you call it. You would have seen these type of applicator in lipsticks above 500 rupees, but I'm really shocked to see that Inside Cosmetics lipstick cost around 100 rupees gives you this applicator. The speciality of this applicator is that it holds a lipstick in this hole. You could see a hole in the middle of the applicator, and that's where it holds the lipstick, so you can apply the lipstick in just one go. While the other applicators like the doe foot applicator, you need to dip the product again and again to get the lipstick out of the tube. 100 rupees for this applicator, and the quality of this one is mind-blowing, guys. And this shade is called 14 Controversy. This is such a beautiful shade. This is a perfect party shade, I would say. This is a plum shade with purple undertones to it, which makes it so beautiful on dusky skin tones. It looks so beautiful on deeper skin tones as well. Moving on to the another lipstick, came from Inside Cosmetics Matte Lip Ink range. This one is called 09 Brave. This is a deep pink shade. Deep pink shade with a blue undertone to it. Again, a very beautiful shade that can go with day, night, any time of the day, that can go with any color of the outfit as well. If you are not sure what lipstick to wear, then this will definitely come to rescue. This is that kind of a shade, pink with a blue undertone. This will look again so beautiful, guys, and the formula, the consistency, the staying power, everything is good in this Inside Cosmetics lipstick range. The last lipstick from this range is called 17 Myth. This is a nice grape purple color. This is not that polish purple or the bright purple that would make you look stand out. This is a muted purple that would look so good. This muted purple can be worn on daytime. This will look so good on dusky to deeper skin tones. For deeper skin tones, it will look like a nude purple color. For dusky skin tone, this will show up that you're wearing a lipstick, but this will be like your MLBB shade, My Lips But Better kind of a shade. This will look so beautiful, guys, for daytime. Moving on to the next one, this is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Liquid Lipstick. This is how the liquid lipstick looks like. This does not look like mini. Yeah, this looks like a fuller size to me. Okay, anyways. So this is in the shade in the maroon. say this is like straight up maroon. Guys, this is a doe foot applicator. I paid around 500 or 400 to 500 rupees for a single lipstick and I get a doe foot applicator. Meaning that you will have to dip it again and again into the bottle to apply the lipstick. This is not like this one. This will not apply in one go. You will have to dip the lipstick again and again to get that perfect pout look. So this is the doe foot applicator. Let me show you the shade. This shade is called Indie Maroon. This is not that again a bright maroon shade. This is again a rusty orangey shade with a red undertone to it. This definitely does not look like a maroon. This looks like rusty orange with a red undertone. If you are someone who does not like that bright lipsticks on your lips, you don't want that attention, then definitely you can try this Indie Maroon. This Indie Maroon is not very bright on dusky to deeper skin tones. It is a muted, again a rusty orange with a red undertone. Will look absolutely stunning when you wear it with Indian outfits. Moving on to the next shade. This is such a bold shade, you guys. This is again from the same range. It is called 503 Wine Voyage. This is that lipstick. Only the cap is different from the other lipstick. This has a peach color cap and this one has a blue color cap. This is a bold lipstick, you guys. I love bold lipsticks. I love to wear bold lipsticks. I love to explore bold lipsticks. And my mom will be like, oh my god, you look weird. But these are very beautiful color. This looks like brown with a red undertone to it. This is how it looks like. This shade is going to be a head turner at your dinner or at your night parties. Moving on to the final lipstick that I'm wearing today. Faces Canada Ultim Pro HD Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer Lipstick. This is in the form of a crayon. This lipstick is super long lasting, guys. This will not smudge under your mask at all. And this is in the shade Wine Shot 26. This is again a beautiful shade. This is a straight up wine maroon color. This is that Indian maroon shade. I would say all girls would definitely have this shade in their vanity for sure. This lipstick would instantly brighten up the face and make you look fresh. You don't have to wear full face of makeup and apply this lipstick. Just this lipstick will do the job. This will immediately make your face brighter and good. I hope the suggestions are useful for you guys. I will leave the link in the description box for you to purchase them online. I hope this video is helpful and useful. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care. In this video, I am going to do. Moving on to the next one, which is from the Lakme Absolute Matte. Moving on to the next one, which is called the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Lips. Such a long name. This one is from Faces Canada Ultim Pro HD Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer. Why such a long name, Faces Canada? Okay, let me go once more. Faces Canada Ultim Pro HD Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer. Take 3. Faces Canada Ultim Pro HD Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer Lipstick.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.